Alright, so good morning. Happy Friday, beautiful and lovely people. Good morning, alligators. It is I. I'm about to make some apple cinnamon pancakes. I got my bowl here. Just making pancakes and eggs. That is it. I'm keeping breakfast really light, really simple, pretty basic. I'm not making 4 and 5 things for breakfast today. So yeah, we're going to see how this is. It's like I said, this was a first time buy for me. So we're going to see if we actually like them or if we will never buy them again. So, burgers is what's for dinner. I'm kind of having our dinner in the car. I'm taking Aiden to the library. Because he want to go use the computer. I don't know if he's trying to go do some gaming or something, but apparently if you build your own game in Roblox, you get to... You get paid or something. I don't know how it works, but he knows all about that. So he wanted to go to Roblox to go do that or play some games or whatever. And then he asked me for $2. Cause he want to purchase some Robux to go shopping in his game.
Me too. I want to go shopping too.
I'm trying to think like.
Can I get my drink, Mom? Can I get my drink?
Within this year, which one was yours? Orange? Within this year, how much money from last August till now, how much money have I spent on Robux? It hasn't been a ton, but I feel like it's been the most I've spent, like, period. Cause I got a Robux for his birthday. I didn't know if you was gonna drink it, August, because you be acting funny. Here, you got water in your book bag. Yeah, because you don't be drinking your soda.
Well, I drink soda. I never play with soda.
You're welcome.
Soda is good right now.
Can you work? This soda. This? Oh, the top. Yeah, I love to wear me.
Hey, Mom. We love to wear them. It's big.
What?
It's big.
I didn't put it on all the way, August, so that you could be able to drink it. Anyways.
So when does it come back? When does it come back?
I'm eating dinner. And we're gonna drive and eat. Here comes Aiden. Alright, so Aiden's in the car. See y'all at the library.
Yeah.
Alright, just pulled up to the library. I'm eating my second burger, so I just let Aiden go in and do his thing. And I'll go in there as soon as we're done eating. Wait a minute, August. Here. I think in this library they do got a place where, like a little dining room area. I forget, cause I done been to so many libraries. I be forgetting which one got what, but some of them do be having like little cafeterias in there where you can sit down and eat. But I feel like they gonna want to run around and, you know, So I just said, let me just let them finish eating in the car because I definitely want to finish eating.
Just drinking soda.
I didn't want to hold Aiden up because the library closed in a little less than an hour, like 50 minutes. So I just said, let him go get himself started.
Why these sodas? Why these sodas, guys? Mama.
What are
If you're a baby, then don't drink soda.
Stop asking me about this when you know you're not going to do nothing but spit it out.
If you get a grown up, then you can drink it. If you be a newborn or a medium-sized kid, then you can just drink it. Or you be that, then you can drink it too. But only that's it.
Are you finished?
No. Well, I'm
So what you giving me your plate for?
to put some syrup on
You
it.
don't know. Okay.
You own the penny.
Okay, show me. Another penny. This is the second penny you found for your penny collection.
Mom, I got 12 pennies.
You got 12 pennies?
Mama, let's give the pennies to you. No, you own to be rich.
Oh, that's okay. I'll let you guys be rich.
Yeah, but we have to let you be rich too.
All right, let's go into the library.
Okay.
You done? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, August driving a boat. Do it again. Let me see. Let's show all our viewers. Let's show all the alligators what you could do on this boat in the ocean.
I got that book.
Yeah, you see?
Yeah.
August got them skills.
Mama, what's that?
Right there.
What's that?
I see you doing a good job driving that.
I got that one.
Go that one. Okay, go ahead.
But I got that.
Go ahead, do whichever one you
I
want.
got that. But
Do it. Oh, they don't have one?
Yeah.
Oh, somebody must have broke it with their beds though. They came here and broke up the stuff.
One more back.
You gonna do that one? Okay.
Oh my! What the? Ever bought the them, but someone throw it.
That boat look drunk.
Oh, did that?
Good job, Uggy. Good job, Pooh. What you got going on, Izzy? What's this puzzle about?
You have to go to the thing one. I know, and you see the map. Yeah, under this thing. You just go here, over, and this goes here.
What's that?
This is treasure.
So you gotta find the, what's his name? The pirates. He don't have a name. They just call him a pirate. You gotta find the pirate's treasure.
Find the pirate treasure. Why find the pirate treasure?
That's just what it's called.
Mom, it's really
Look who's here.
What is this?
Cleat hitch knot. Sheet bend knot. I guess it's telling you different ways to tie. It's telling you different ways you can tie the boat, the knot. And then they got this game over here. Look like nobody's using this. And then this is the compass to find your way home while you're driving the boat. And you sit your little butt down right here.
That was too heavy.
Okay, which one you say was you? That one. Which one is Aiden? Which one is Ace? Okay, so we left the library and the kids started to demand to come to the park because they have a personal chauffeur named AllisonAlanna. So they've been out here for a minute. I told them just 30 minutes, but I'm pretty sure it's probably been a little bit over 30 minutes. But I figure since it's Friday and we already ate dinner and it's their last weekend before they go back to school, that they could just kick it because they look like they're having fun. So I'm not going to bother them. I'm kind of liking the time to myself anyway. So, I mean, this works. This works. But Aiden didn't get a lot of time to do his programming or whatever he was on there doing because he said that he needed a code and he normally sends his code to my phone. And instead of just sending the code and coming outside to get the code, he just sat there and waited for me to come, knowing I was out there eating and it probably was going to be a while. So by the time I got in there, it was like 5:15. Or maybe it was 5:30. Yeah, it was like 5:30 as a matter of fact. Or 5:24, something. I don't know. But nonetheless, the place closes at 6. And I didn't know this. They shut the computers down at 5:45. So he had all of 15-20 minutes on that computer. I was like, were you doing something else or something? Because you just really sat here and wasted your time out. But he was like, oh, I was just waiting on you to come in with the phone so I could get the code. Which he could be doing on his own phone, but we won't talk about what happened to his phone. You see? So he was like, well, he did get to start it off. He did the first part or something that needed to be done. So if possible, I'm gonna bring him back either tomorrow or Sunday if time will allow, because you know everybody's prepping for school and all that stuff. So if I'm not running around doing stuff for them to get ready for school, because I do have to do their hair and do a little last minute pickups this weekend, we shall see how this is gonna go. Then I might have time to take him back, but if not, he might have to just wait till one day this week after school or probably the weekend again.